Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of IMVU. So today I'm gonna show you how to change the room picture of IMVU. So if you also want animated GIF image for your room or custom room picture, I will show you how to change it. So this is an GIF image for your room, and this is still image for your room. So if you want to upload this room image, you can easily drag and drop to your folder. So after dragging and drop, you can see here the dimension of this GIF image 300 by 164. You can also create the custom GIF image 300 x 164 pixels. So after saving the room picture, go to the IMVU website. Then you need to click on your profile icon. Then you need to go to IMVU Classic website. Then you can see here photo albums. Click on that. Then you can create an album for your own picture. So I already created one from my name, so click on that. So after that, click on the upload, go to choose file and select your room picture, then click the submit. So this is how you can upload the room picture on your IMVU album. So there are some tips before changing the room picture. So please upload the room picture from IMVU website, because animated pictures does not work from IMVU client. And also you need 100 by 200 pixels or 300 by 164 pixels. So this is how you can upload the room picture. Then you need to go to IMVU. So close the chat room option, then again open the chat room option, go to manage, then go to edit, then you can select the room picture. So the first picture is your recently uploaded room picture. So click on save. So as you can see, my room picture is changed now. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.